So welcome to the quick tutorial of how to set up a MongoDB Atlas cloud-based database. So let's just get started. So first of all, let us search for MongoDB Atlas, and then let's go to any of these links. Let's click on sign in, and then I'm going to use my Google account. So once the sign in is done, you should see something like this. So now in this projects, click in here, click on view all projects, and then in this projects we now need to create a new project. So I'm going to say new project, and then I'm going to here say test app, so just a random name which we can delete later on, and then click on next, and then I am the owner, so create project, and then the project will be created. And once the project is created, we need to create a database cluster. So create a cluster. This is the cluster, and then we are going to select the free version because we are just going to be using it for free. So we will be provided with 512 MB of storage, and there will be shared RAM and shared CPU as well. So let everything else be the default, and then click on create deployment, and the deployment will soon be started, and you will get a username for yourself and a password. Click on create database user, and your user will be created. And if you click on choose a connection method, go to drivers. After the cluster provisioning is done, you will see a new URL up here. So you can see you can use this URL as your MongoDB URL in your .env to actually make a connection to the MongoDB database. Now once this much part is done, what is the next thing we need to do is we need to check for the network access. Like initially the network access will be your own IP address, and you can change that anytime. Like if you want this database to be accessed from anywhere, then you click on add IP address and click on allow access from anywhere. Basically you do this for in the development process, but once your production is done, then you use your server's IP address basically. So that is how it is. If I click on confirm, after a few seconds or maybe minutes, it will be active as well. So this is how you set up your MongoDB. Now you can use that particular MongoDB connection URI to connect to your application. That's a quick tutorial on how to set up MongoDB into your applications.